Dry ice blasting brings Porsche preservation to a whole new level, and we're excited to use our brand new dry ice machine on our 993. The level of interest from Porsche owners after we highlighted this process with last year's challenge car was overwhelming and a must for this year's entry. Dry ice blasting is a non-abrasive, environmentally friendly cleaning method that uses solid carbon dioxide pellets. These pellets are propelled at high speeds, effectively removing dirt, grime, and other contaminants from various surfaces. As the dry ice pellets strike the surface, they rapidly cool the dirt and contaminants, causing them to shrink and lose adhesion. This makes them easy to remove without damaging the underlying material. Unlike traditional cleaning methods, dry ice blasting doesn't involve any harsh chemicals or water. It's a dry process, leaving no residue behind and eliminating the risk of corrosion. The results are incredible. Dry ice is a safe and efficient way to preserve our Porsche 993 back to its original finish.